welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys are having an awesome new year so far. I think I am having a pretty good start to my new year, regardless of what's going on in the world, because there's always going to be craziness going on in the world. But so far, personally, in my life, it has been pretty good. If you haven't watched my vlog, last week's vlog from my birthday, go check that out. That was pretty intense. But yeah, it was great. So remember, we have vlog videos on Wednesdays and weekly vlogs on Saturdays, both at 8 a.m. you guys. So go ahead and stay tuned for the end of the video to find out what emoji to comment so you can get a shout out in the next video. I got some things coming up for y'all. I got some things coming up, especially with locks. This is coming, okay, soon. And I did a lock count. And then somebody had also asked me about if I would do purple in my locks. So we are at home right now. I got a coupon for my birthday, and it expires at the end of the month. So I'm gonna go in here and see what I can find in here. And then I'm really not doing too much today, y'all. It's 44 degrees outside. The wind is ridiculous, and it's just cold. So I may go to my mom's house. Not really doing too much today. So yes. Anywho, let's get in here and see what they got. I ain't been in at home since I was shopping for Christmas decor. So let's do that. Let go. Okay, y'all. So we are in at home and walking in the door. We already see something we want. I needed some new pillows for the queen bed in the guest room. And those are on sale for $5.99. So, like, why not? Hello. Can't beat that with a stick. 2 pillows. Okay. Okay. Y'all, this is my dining room chair right here. They have it for $139. Let me come this way. Oh no, it's not exactly like my dining room chairs, because mine are tucked in the front. But these are $139, and I got mine on Amazon for $60 or $80. If they still have them, I'll try to link it below. But yeah, Amazon, they the plug for real. So for this coupon, I need to make sure there's not like a limit, like I have to spend a certain amount. Look at all this, y'all. That's why I hate that my birthday is kind of like right after Christmas, because stores are like still restocking themselves from the holidays. But I want to look for a rug for the entryway, a rug for the entryway, throw pillows, and a throw blankets is what I'm looking for in her. So we're gonna see what I can find. Okay, y'all, I kind of like this throw blanket, and I think it's high enough for me to be able to use my coupon on it. I'm thinking about doing this teal color, like a blue for spring that's coming up. So that's something I'm looking at too, y'all. What I'm gonna do to switch out to spring decor. So even though at home is like good for a lot of stuff and has like a surplus of like everything, I still feel like Ross is really good for like throw pillows and stuff, because the prices are just better. Like, some of these prices are just kind of outrageous. $30 for a throw pillow, I just, no. When I know I can go to Ross and find something probably just as good, like, no, it's a no for me. Well, here's an outfit of the day for y'all. All black everything. I want to try to find me a full-length mirror too, so I can do more outfit of the days like this in the mirror. I always got this hoodie on, y'all. If y'all worried about that, mind your business, okay? Don't do that. Don't do that. But yeah, this one is $69. It seems like it's not that big though. Like it's not that tall. I don't know. There's the measurements. Okay, let's keep chugging along. Look at her. She looking good. She looking good. All black on. Okay, let's focus. Y'all, what y'all think? Is this too skinny? It's so cute though. And it's on sale or clearance for 75% off. So it's only $22. Like, this mirror costs just a few more dollars than this blanket. Like, and I don't really have room for a huge mirror in my office. Man. And I could still take selfies in it, right? It's big enough, ain't it? Y'all, I think I'm gonna get this. $22? Can you really beat that? Cute. This is almost exactly like the one that I had found on Amazon that I want for a runner for the entryway. But I don't know unless this is it. Is this it? Is this the runner for only $19.99? Is that the right color? Oh, what is these? No, that's definitely the wrong color. Okay, y'all, we may be getting a runner, some pillows, and a mirror. Y'all, we had a very productive day today. We actually got some pillows for the bed. I got my runner. It was only, well, it's not really a runner, but I'm gonna use it as a runner, and it was $19.99. And then my mirror. Now this, probably gonna have to let down the seats for this one. Anywho, copyright. I got my mirror. Boy, y'all will be surprised, baby, what I fit in my little small SUV. Okay. Only spent $50, you guys. I got some more disposable masks. I got a rug for my entryway. I got a floor-length mirror for my office. And I got some pillows, a 2-pack of standard pillows for the guest room. Baby, you can't beat that. You cannot beat that. I am so glad that I came here today. Like, I was like, let me use this coupon. This was $22, y'all. It was marked because it's originally $89 and it was 75% off. And the guy that was checking me out, he was like, oh wow, I can't believe that's on sale for that. And he was like, you're getting a really good deal. And then I did my 15% off coupon. He was like, oh yeah, you're doing really good. And then he was like, you can get another 10% off if you apply for this credit card. I said, no sir. No, baby, we're not doing that. Anywho, I don't know what else I have in store for today. But I am so happy about this. Like, yes. Let me help you out, such your uncle can't do it.
You think you can have one?
Just keep your head still, my nephew.
Huh?
Huh?
You think you can have one?
You
Boy,
the
your
expert.
faces.
You the one that got kids. I got kids.
Look at him. You know what that is.
You know what that is?
Somebody help the boy.
You know what that is? Huh?
You got something right there. Right there. Right there. Let me get it.
Ooh. You want a fruit snack? Come on, let's do our dance. Let's do our dance. Oh, so you're not gonna do our dance? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. 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 Yeah. Wanna go? Good. Good. We're gonna finish our dance. We're gonna finish our dance. The last one. Did you even chew that? Open your mouth. Okay, here you go. Here. You done? You want one? You want to get it yourself? All done. All done. You gonna finish our dance?
This place, bomb. Biggity bomb.
What is this for? Give me one. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.